Hi, Susan Chase once again from Bio 2024. We're on our third day and we are welcoming today one of our extraordinary partners in our market who shares sponsorship in every site, I think. So it's really exciting. So Gianluca, welcome. Welcome. Please introduce yourself to our camera.
Susan, thank you very much. Thanks for having me. And Gianluca Pettiti, Executive Vice President at Thermo Fisher Scientific. Thermo Fisher Scientific, the world leader in serving science with 120,000 awesome colleagues across the globe that are
Fantastic.
supporting our customers and enabling them to make the world healthier, cleaner, and safer every day. And I like to say that we support our pharma and biotech customer from molecule to medicine, so everything from tools to perform core research, high-end tools, all the way to services to do drug development, clinical trials, and more.
Fantastic, fantastic. Well, thank you for taking the time. I know it's a busy conference, and there's lots to see and do here for sure.
Yes.
So, just a couple of questions. Just from our team, how do you define innovation at Thermo Fisher? And in the context of sort of your relationship with BioLabs, what does that look like for you?
Yeah, fantastic question. Thermo Fisher Scientific has innovation as one of its value. It's ingrained in our culture. We invest more than 1.3 billion every year in developing products, but also we take advantage of a broad ecosystem of partners and biotech companies, small biotechs as well, that are helped from partners like BioLabs.
Yeah.
And I have to say you're doing a phenomenal job. That's why
Thank you.
everybody says it's a bit of a secret that you're the best at it. I can't comment on that.
Thank you. Thank
But
you.
we benefit from a great partnership with BioLabs that extends over the years and really helped us to get in touch with small biotech, support them to scale. It's very interesting when a small biotech is constrained in terms of capital and resources, how important it is for entrepreneurs to pick their battles.
Yeah.
And for the one where they need a partner, Thermo Fisher Scientific is a pretty good choice because we can
Well,
serve them.
We think so too.
Yeah.
So one of the questions I get asked often is how do you differentiate markets? And sort of is Europe very different than the United States and Asia and different markets?
Sure.
Do you have a sense of that from your perspective?
I have a little bit of a sense. I'll tell you a secret. I've been with the company 18 years. I spent 3 years in South America. I'm from Italy, so in Europe for many years. 3 years in South America, 5 in China, and then I moved to the US. I know a thing or two about the emerging markets because I have 2 kids made in China, so I have a unique perspective. And indeed, it's very different to scale a company in the United States compared to scaling it in Europe or in emerging markets as an example. And having partners that have scales in those regions that are able to augment the capability of small companies to innovate is incredibly important. We bring innovation from here, from the US to Europe, to the emerging markets, and we really support our customers broadly. And again, our partnership is a great example on how we're doing that and multiplying the capabilities that we have at the company with great partners like BioLabs.
Yeah, well, we thank you for that. So the key steps to they're involved in innovation and taking innovation from the lab to the market in the life science industry, always really challenging. Have you seen changes sort of in your time? It's a long time to be involved in this industry. Have you seen broad themes that have emerged for your company?
Certainly, technology has been an incredible enabler over the years. We're seeing more automation, more standardization, and then more recently, AI coming and actually disrupting many areas of our lives, many areas in the workplace, in the way that companies are operating. We believe actually that this is going to be a great support for many companies to actually bring innovation faster to market. When you think at dry labs, and the capability to mine data, identify targets more efficiently, this is going to drive the need of more experiment and then mining those data on the back end.
Yeah.
It's going to be very exciting. also you need reliable partners. And again, is where we come into play with a company at scale that can provide solutions, software, support for our customers to do data mining at scale in the world of AI and generative AI that I think is going to be terrific for our industry.
Yeah, and I think we hear that too, for sure. I'd be curious, sort of, do you feel like you're leading your customers in those discussions, or do you think you're sort of trying to catch up and figure out sort of how to service them, sort of internally? What's the strategy?
Yes, it's a great question. Our mission is to enable our customers to make the world healthier, cleaner, and safer. It's almost like a personalized experience for each one of our customers, depending on what they need. And so we tend to support them to be on the back end, to actually make it rational for them to come to Thermo Fisher Scientific and serving them on their needs. And so I would say we're leading from a technology standpoint, but always at the service of our customers.
Yeah. Well, we thank you for that. So we're about to wrap up, but is there anything else you'd like to tell us about Thermo Fisher, and any secrets you want to share with us about new initiatives?
It's always a pleasure to be here and spend time together, especially at Bio, where we have so many partners. I think when you look at the future, I'm very excited about the future of medicine. I'm very excited about what we do together, what our customers are doing. We are in the golden age of biology, where advanced therapies are having such a terrific impact to patient outcome, and we're at the center of it. And so I think the secret is finding every day our best at work to be able to support our many customers, to support our many partners, to accelerate molecule to medicine so that more patients can benefit from that. And I think the secret there is trying to do it in a simple way, right? And being true to the core. And for us, the core is putting the customers at the center and serving them.
Well, we thank you very much. You've been fantastic partners for BioLabs, and we look forward to many more years of that.
Thank you very much, Susan.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Lovely to meet you.